guys! Today Nathan is playing with his cars, and while he's playing with his cars, I know all the boys, they love to play with cars. He's also learning about numbers, how to count from 1 to 10, and also about the colors. Example, asking what color is this car, and then we will find out how many yellow cars are they, and we count from 1 to 10, and also playing with the cars. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead. Nathan? Okay. Nathan, what color is this?
Yellow.
Good boy, yellow. Come closer to me. Come here. Yes, that's yellow. This is yellow. All right. Can you find me how many yellow cars do we have? So how many colors? Look, we have 1, 2. Come here next to me. Good. And then 3, 4, 5. That's it. This is 5 yellow. So we have 5 yellow cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow cars. Nathan, oh my gosh, look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm coming! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Whee! Nathan, do you want to play with the race? Yellow cars? Let's take the yellow only. Take yellow. Here we go. You have 3 yellow. Put them here. 1, 2, 3. Go! Yay! You did it!
Da.
Ta-da! Come here. So we learned about yellow. Can you come here? Come here. Come sit next to me. Okay. What color is this?
Blue.
Are you sure? This is red. It's not blue. Say red.
Blue.
Red. This is red. This car is
Blue.
red. Okay. Can you find me red? So there's 1, 2. Nathan, come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do we have any more? No. We have 5 red cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red cars. Okay. Nathan, do you want to play race with the red car? Come. You play a race. Wait. There we go. Let's do this one. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yay.
Okay.
Look. We go this way. Beep, beep. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Boom.
Martin.
Okay. What color is this?
Blue.
Yes, this is blue. Yes, this is blue.
Mama, what's that?
This is orange.
Blue.
Okay, can we find me blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is light blue. Okay, so how many? Here you go. So look, how many colors do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're hiding 1. 6. We have 6 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue cards. Do you like blue? I'm gonna play with blue. Whee! You like the blue truck? Look at this blue truck. Nathan, do you want to play with blue? Come. Come here. Play with the race. Racing car. No, that's not blue. Play with blue. Here we go. On the 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, give me a high five. Big one. Good boy. Okay. So we found yellow. We found red. We found the blue. Okay. We found the blue. We have white. What color is this?
What?
White. Come here. This is white. Alright. Let's count how many white do we have. Can you come here, Nathan? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6. No, another one. 7. We have 7 white cars plus we've got a helicopter. Look, helicopter. You see? We have a white helicopter here. And this is ambulance. Nathan, this is a ambulance.
Okay.
A helicopter and an ambulance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 white cars. And this is a ute.
Blue.
Yeah, this. Do you want to play with the white?
Yes.
Okay. You can use this is 3 white cars. Come. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and go. This one's stuck here. Come back. All right, so we found the white as well. Okay, we have some green. Can you find a green car? Nathan, there is a green car. Look. Look, Nathan, there is a green car. Come here. So we found a green car. Okay, let's see how many do we have. 1, 2, and 3. Do we have any more greens? There's another one. 4, 5. This is darker green. 6. Yeah. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green cars. They are different green. So this is a light green. This is a dark green. This is olive color. And this is green. And this is like a mint green. This is a mint color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green cars. Okay, do you want to play race? Racing car? Come on! Woo! Race, race, race. Come on, Nathan. 1, 2, 3, and go! Woo! Now we find the green. Now we have orange car. 1, 2, and 3. Orange. Do you have any more orange? No. So we've got 3 orange car. Yes? How many orange cars do we have? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 orange cars. Come play here with the race. Play only with 2 orange. We've got 2 orange. And we have only 1 purple car. We've got 1 purple. 1 purple car.
Mama?
Yes, okay. And have the 2 orange. Put it there. Good boy. Great. Yes. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Good boy. Come, let's play. Come here. Nathan. 1 black car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 cars. Wow, you have so many cars.
Zoom, zoom, little car, driving near and driving far with the shiny paint so bright, racing under morning light. Children's cars, oh what a sight, rolling down the street, what a delight. With laughter and joy, they take the lead, in their tiny cars they're going to speed. Red ones, blue ones, yellow too, every color just for you. With a horn that goes beep beep, in their little cars they laugh and leap. Children's cars, oh what a sight, rolling down the street, what a delight. With laughter and joy, they take the lead, in their tiny cars they're going to speed. Red ones, blue ones, yellow too, every color just for you. With a horn that goes beep beep, in their little cars they laugh and leap. Children's cars, oh what a sight, rolling down the street, what a delight. With laughter and joy, they take the lead, in their tiny cars they're going to speed. Round the corner, through the park, chasing dreams till it gets dark. With friends beside, they race and play, in their little cars it's a perfect day. Children's cars, oh what a sight, rolling down the street, What a delight, with laughter and joy, they take the lead in the tiny cars they're going to speed.
Nathan, who's this?
Papa.
Peppa. I'm Peppa Pig. And this is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. And this is George. Where are you going, Nathan?
Papa.
Peppa, you taking Peppa for a ride? Okay, I'm taking George. This is George. Whee! What about Peppa? Peppa here? Put her back here. How about Peppa? Peppa can go this way.
And the puppy guy.
Yeah.
And mine.
This, you wanna take George? Okay, I'll take Peppa for a ride.
The cool puppy.
Yeah, let's go to school. Let's go to school. Whee! This is such a fun. Peppa saying. Whee! Whee! That's a crash. We did a crash. George, move. Look. They are walking to school. Where's Peppa? Peppa, George, where are you? They are hiding here. Come on, let's go for a ride. Come on, George, follow me. Whee! Whee! Let's go see Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig what he's doing. Hi, Peppa. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. Yeah? Peppa and George. And what are they gonna say? Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.